guys, today I'm going, I'm going to go to the movies today. So if you're excited to see, I would like to see the show. So I'm just playing the slime. Like and comment because I've been making slime for a month. So if you want a Stitch slime, like and comment and hit that subscribe button and only tell 2 questions and I'll order right to your house. And look, I made this line myself and it's angel. It's angel color and it's mine. And look, there's angel. I'm just trying to. Hi, I'm back. Stretching my slime. I tried to make a button. And I'm just doing that again. Um, in a couple minutes, I'm gonna do gymnastics because in a couple of days I have gymnastics practice because I did that last week, but the said I need to cancel it for a couple of days. So in a couple of days, I go back to gymnastics class too. So now I'm just doing this. So if you want to switch one, smash a like that comment, and if you don't want it, that's okay. And if you still want to switch one, you don't need to. I make more other ones. I make Barbie, Peppa Pig, all those stuff. But yeah. So I'm just doing all that. And I'm just okay. Yeah. Okay. Today I'm going to a movie, and if you want to go to a movie, smash and comment. If you can't smash and comment, you can come. But if you want to come, smash. And right now, a couple days later, I'm playing Roblox with Kaden and with my friend Julia. I was calling her, and then there was like a little small family. We were kids, and then we were babies, and then we were growing up. It was crazy. So if you wanna come, yeah. If so, we're gonna play Brookhaven today after I go to the movies. So if you wanna play Brookhaven after the movies, when I make another a video part 2, then you can start playing with us because that's the time we're gonna start playing. So right now I'm just playing with fun and I'm watching TV and right now I'm just waiting for my mom to get home and for breakfast because I'm starving. You know, it's cold. Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for everyone. Like waiting for my mom and dad. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make pan pancakes. But yeah, I'm starving. So yeah. So soon, right now, I'll make a part 2. So smash a comment. Bye. Smash. Slime. This is my slime thumb.